Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we got a 2015 Ford Transit 250 cargo van. We're getting ready to put on the lot. 3.7 liter engine in this thing, V6. So we'll do a quick walk around. I'll show you the inside, all kinds of space inside of this. As you can see, it's got the sliding door on the passenger side, tinted windows on this. Let me go ahead and open this up and show it to you. Okay, here you can see you've got a couple steps to get up in here. Good flooring in this, good walls. You even have lights up overhead. Your back doors do open up. And one nice feature I'm going to show you here, this door will open up that you can actually walk up into the front of the van itself. So get back here and I'll show you what it looks like opened up. So we'll continue to do our walk around. We'll go here on the back, nice tinted windows back here. Now the van does have a backup camera right there, and if you notice, it does have sensors. So it will warn you if you're backing up, getting close to something. So here we go. I got the back doors open, bumper to get up, show you the inside, all kinds of space in this thing. So let's continue our walk around. So we'll go over here on the driver's side. The outside, the body of this appears to be in good condition. So let's go ahead and look on the inside. Okay, we've got the doors open, show you the inside. We'll swing around here, show you the door panel. You do have gray color for your interior, gray cloth interior, controls for your inside lighting and your side mirrors. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. I want to get up here, show you the instrument cluster. The mileage on this as of now, 393,677 miles. Let me go ahead and start the van up. You can see here on your left side of your steering wheel, you do have cruise control settings for different settings up on your instrument cluster. It does have Bluetooth connectivity. It will connect to your smartphones for hands-free talking. Get over here, your gear shift. You can see an LCD display up here. I'm going to drop it down in reverse, just did. There's your rear view camera. And we come down here, your audio controls for your stereo system, heating and cooling, USB port, auxiliary input, 12 volt. So you've got the connections for your electronics, 2 cup holders, and here you can see the seat on the passenger side. And here is the door that does open up. There is a handle right back here that will open up so you can actually walk in the back. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the recent addition, the 2015 Ford Transit Cargo Van 250. Does have the 3.7 V6 engine in it. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. And we do have multiple financing options available. Have a great day.